Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota RAV4 GXL, stock reference number 5130. The shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 11th month 2018. It has a 2AR FE, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. 2AR FE, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, with the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.